Alright, just hold it on me.
Just hold it?
Yes, this corner. What side did you want to do? This way. I'm just going to clean and mark it. Watch it. You want to go look in the mirror? Tell me what you think about that spot. Yeah, let's go. Sure? Okay. Alright, go ahead and lay down. Okay, now these are just taps. Relax your mouth, no smiling. It's hard not to. I know. Okay, just relax. Alright, good job. Almost done. You okay? Wasn't that bad, right?
Oh, that was it?
That's it.
Wow.
My belly button was worse. Quick and easy. Okay, so